Camp Nou is changing faster than ever, and the scale of progress now visible across the site is truly impressive. From major roof support works to the rapid rise of the second diamond structure, every corner of the stadium is moving closer to completion. A major roof milestone is already 50% complete. New escalators continue arriving, and important interior spaces are taking shape beneath the third tier. Let's dive into all the latest progress. Opening today at the cafeteria section and specifically at the wall of the transept area, a new set of aluminium profile frames has been installed along the transept wall, and the significance of those frames is immediate and clear once you understand what follows their installation. New door frames and glass panels are going to be inserted there very soon. The aluminium profile installation is the structural prerequisite, the framework into which those subsequent elements will be fitted. Every aluminium profile that goes up along that transept wall is a placeholder in the very best sense for the glass and the doors that are coming next. And seeing it installed now tells you the cafeteria's transept wall is moving rapidly toward its next major visual milestone. But the cafeteria update does not stop at the exterior wall. Inside the structure, the crews have been busy with a different but equally important set of tasks. They have been adjusting beams within the interior, fine-tuning the structural elements that run through the cafeteria's internal framework, aluminium frames outside, concrete block walls inside. The cafeteria is advancing on both fronts simultaneously, moving to a development that genuinely caught everyone's attention when it was first noticed, because the arrival of yet another new escalator at the site is not just a small logistical detail. It is a window into a number that very few people fully appreciate about the scale and the ambition of the new Camp Nou. The new Camp Nou is going to have over 70 escalators in total, 70 plus. Let that number settle for a moment, because it represents one of the most genuinely transformative pieces of infrastructure in this entire stadium. And alongside that escalator delivery, another important observation has been made on the ground. Plenty of new anchors have been spotted, aligned, and ready, specifically intended to support the ongoing Slat installation. Escalators for circulation, anchors for the exterior beauty, two very different but equally essential threads of progress, both delivered to site on the very same day. Ascending to the top of the third tier, now for an update that I genuinely believe is one of the most important pieces of timeline information we have ever had to share on this channel. At the top of the third tier, the crews have been installing transverse beams at the end of the cores. These transverse beams are an important structural addition to the framework that connects and stabilizes the core structures running through that section. And their installation reflects the continued methodical advancement of the top-tier works as they push toward completion. But the real headline from today's third-tier update is the news regarding the overall timeline for the ring box installation and the top-tier pillar adjustments. The information coming in is that the entire installation of these ring boxes, together with the necessary top-tier pillar adjustments, should be completed by the end of September. The end of September. That is a specific calendar-bound target, and it gives every single person following this renovation a concrete date to anchor their expectations and their excitement around. And the progress toward that September target is already remarkably advanced. Currently, it looks like 50% of this phase of work is already complete. Halfway there, with a clear target date sitting on the calendar and half of the required work already finished. The third tier, and specifically the structural elements that are going to support the roof above it, is going to look dramatically more advanced in the coming few months. Half done now, fully done by the end of September. That is the picture, and it is an exciting one. And finally, let us close today's update with a look underneath the third tier at the second ring, where the development of the bathroom and restaurant facilities continues to advance steadily and continues to reinforce just how comprehensively this renovation is addressing every single dimension of the fan experience. The progress of the bathrooms and restaurants within the second ring beneath the third tier is advancing really well. These are the kinds of facilities that fans interact with constantly throughout a match day, but rarely think about until they are missing or inadequate. And the new Camp Nou is clearly determined not to repeat any of the facility shortcomings that frustrated supporters at the old stadium for so many years. Restaurants and bathrooms advancing steadily beneath the third tier complement everything else we have discussed today. 5 updates today and 5 reasons to feel genuinely excited about where this stadium currently stands. New aluminium frames at the cafeteria transept wall preparing for doors and glass to follow. Over 70 escalators transforming the entire circulation philosophy of this stadium alongside fresh anchors readying the next wave of slat installation. Transverse beams at the third tier and a September target for the ring box and pillar adjustment phase already 50% complete. The second diamond structure rising with pillars this week and slabs scheduled for next week. Every number, every deadline, every detail today points in the same direction. This stadium is not approaching its finish line in the abstract anymore. It is approaching it with dates, percentages, and physical evidence that anyone can see and verify with their own eyes. Visca el Barça, Visa Catalunya. See you in the next one.